Hi, I'm Trisha Morris from Club Scrap, and I have another wonderful workshop opportunity for you. This one's being offered by our friends Brian and Carol at the One of a Kind Facebook online virtual event page, and it will be available to watch starting October 28th and anytime thereafter. We're offering a project that makes a book. We have a class-along kit you can pick up in advance. And what's cool about this particular Accordion Hinge album is that you don't have to do any stitching. Let's see what comes in that box and what we'll make together. So here's that class-along kit, and you can see it has a nice outdoorsy motif, perfect for any outdoors lover in your life. The kit itself comes with ribbon and lots of embellishments, 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 photo mats, 2 each of 2 beautiful outdoorsy prints, and then an assortment of plain sheets that coordinate, 2 sheets of cut-aparts that you can use to decorate your book, a glue applicator, needle-tipped glue applicator, as well as this sheet of 12 by 12 black mat board. It's like a matte finish as well. It's nice and heavy, but you can still cut it with your standard guillotine style trimmer. Your kit also comes with a detailed copy of the instructions, and again, the video that you can watch anytime after October 28th. So this is the book that we'll be making together. It's a lot of fun to piece together and surprisingly simple. And what's neat about it is that we'll be using a craft knife and cutting mat to cut slits in our folded pages to accommodate the clever accordion hinge that we'll be making. And then it's stabilized with these neat little binding strips here. So the construction is relatively simple and a lot of fun. What's neat about this project, as with most Club Scrap projects, is that once you master the making of the project with this particular kit, you can grab any other kit from Club Scrap, any page kit, and recreate the project by repeating and recycling those beautiful instructions and just following along again with the video. After that, you'll use your imagination to do the decor, and you'll have another great book on your hands. Hope to see you on the 28th of October and anytime thereafter to make this awesome accordion hinge album. See you there.